Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kumar Sambhav. I am the coordinator of this course and presently teaching at UP Institute of Design, Noida. The title of the course is Understanding Human Being, Nature and Existence Comprehensively. It is also called as UHV III, and as the name suggests, you can enroll for this course after having done UHV 1 and UHV 2. UHV 1 is one of the modules of induction program where we discuss the aspirations and concerns of a human being, particularly during student life. And we talk about the resolution of these concerns. In UHV 2, we discuss the basic human aspiration of a human being, that is continuity of happiness and prosperity and the program to ensure it. And we had discussed the harmony at all the levels of living of a human being, right from individual to the entire existence. And if you remember, towards the end of the course, we had discussed ethics in profession. In this course, we'll go deeper to understand the human being, nature, and existence. If you look at the goal of this course, it is to explore the human reality, particularly the self, in more depth. So in earlier courses, you had seen that human being is coexistence of self and body. Now we'll go deeper to understand the self, and we'll see how self is central to human existence. Next, we'll go to understand the nature and existence. We had discussed that nature is there in 4 orders, and the whole nature is submerged in space, and this is termed as coexistence. Now we'll see how coexistence is central to existence. We'll also be able to see that everything that we see in the nature and existence is the natural expression and unfolding of this coexistence. And thirdly, we'll go to understand the role of human being in further detail in light of the above. So we'll see that the role of human being is to understand the coexistence, to have the feeling and thought of coexistence, and to live in coexistence in mutual relation with human being and the rest of nature. I hope you are able to relate to the goal of this course and also relate the goal to the goal of life, to be able to live a happy and prosperous life, a fulfilling life. The methodology of this course is explorational and thus universally adaptable. It is free from any dogma or set of do's and don'ts. It is completely a process of self-investigation and self-exploration. So this process we had employed in UHV 1 and UHV 2 also. And let me say at the very outset that whatever I share in this course from my side is a proposal for you to explore, to investigate, to verify at the level of natural acceptance. You are aware that there is something called natural acceptance in each one of us, based on which, if I verify a proposal, I get very genuine answers. And when I go to live accordingly, I am able to validate experientially in my behavior and work. And thus, going through my self-verification and validation, it becomes a part of my understanding. If you look at the course outline, Module 1 is dedicated towards introducing the course. So we'll talk about the basic human aspiration, its fulfillment, through all-encompassing resolution. In Module 2, we'll talk about the right understanding. So we'll be able to see who is the knower, what is to be known, and what is the process of knowing. In Module 3, we'll discuss about the human being in more detail. In previous course, we had talked about some of the activities of the self. Now in this course, we'll talk about all the activities of the self and see how harmony can be ensured in the self. In Module 4, we'll be discussing the 4 orders in nature and their submergence in space. And finally, in Module 5, we'll go to understand the human conduct with the all-encompassing resolution and the holistic way of living. So this is all about the course. I hope you are able to see the relevance of this course, and you are most welcome to join the course.